Hey Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you. Call me back.
Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to stay productive during self-quarantine at home. But before we get into the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's get into the video. The first thing that I usually do is to let the lights into my room by opening the curtains to remind me that it's morning already and that I should get up and start the day. I always make my bed to set a better mood for the day and to keep everything clean and nice. Right after I drink lots of water, I go straight into the shower and it really helps to wake me up. Before I do anything else, I apply my skincare, and if you want to put on your makeup, you definitely can. But lately, during this quarantine period, I learned to love and be more confident in my own skin, even when I have a conference call.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it can really boost up your metabolism and your mood. It also improves your energy level throughout the day, so if you want to be productive, then please don't skip your breakfast. You can also change into your working outfit to set the whole working mood, but I personally find it more comfortable in my loungewear, and I only change my clothes when I have an online class. Working in bed is not only bad for your spine, it is also bad for your working or studying mood. Unless you want to sleep, then please don't be on your bed. I really like studying on my desk, and it has become a habit that really changes my mindset. So every time I sit here, I know exactly that I'm supposed to be studying, and whenever I'm in my bed, I know that I'm on my relaxing mode. Another working at home tip from me is to set a fixed schedule that you can follow. So for example, from 9 to 5 every single day. Your brain loves habit and patterns, so by doing this as a habit, whenever it's around 9 to 5, your brain will instantly know that it's time for work and not for relaxing. I recommend setting a mood for your working space, either with scents like candle if you're into that, or just by simply turning on the music that you like. I recommend chill, easy listening or jazz music, but it is based on your personal preferences as well. I don't recommend music with lyrics since it can distract you from your work, but if you can learn with that, then that's totally fine. It is totally fine if you want to take a couple of breaks during your work to stretch out, to clear your mind, and to relax a little bit. And please don't forget to eat your lunch and dinner as well. By creating a to-do list, you will exactly know what you should be doing on that specific day. So I usually create it daily, and it helps you to keep track of everything and with your goals as well, and it forces ourselves to be more productive. Working on your desk for the whole day can be really messy, so before going to bed, I always make sure to tidy up my desk so it will be somewhat presentable for the next day. So that's it for today's video. I hope there's something new to learn from my video, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.